Here are the two main spreadsheets that automate Amazon product research. The first is the Amazon Matcher, which uses product data from your supplier provided as a CSV or scraped directly from the supplier website with a Chrome extension. Only the product titles and prices are absolutely necessary. It then automatically finds these products on Amazon. You can then extract data for these Amazon products using browser automations or software. Finally, the formulas on the sheet will calculate the costs and profit of these products. The second sheet is the Amazon Sourcer, which uses product data from Amazon which can be scraped using Chrome extensions or browser automations. It automatically searches Amazon product titles on search engines to find potential supplier sources. The Amazon products and sources are then assembled to form a products list. Then, using either software or custom functions that work within Google Sheets, the price data can be derived. Finally, formulas on the sheet will calculate the potential profit of selling the Amazon products from these supplier sources.